Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into IBOTTA app review. To get started with a quick overview, IBOTTA is a free cashback app that rewards users for everyday purchases, both in stores and online, by uploading receipts like loyalty account or shopping through the app or browser extension. User can earn real cashback on a wide range of products and retails, with a partnership spanning over 3,000 brands and retailers including Walmart, Target, and Kroger. IBOTTA has become a popular tool for savvy shoppers looking to save on groceries, household items, and more. As of 2025, IBOTTA boasts over 50 million registered users, and it has paid out over 2.3 billion in cash rewards. And here's a quick review about the strength about this platform. IBOTTA partners with thousands of retailers across various categories, providing ample opportunity for users to earn cashback on a wide array of products. And also, users can earn rewards by uploading receipts, linking store loyalty account, or shopping through the IBOTTA app or browser extension, offering the flexibility in how they choose to save. Unlike some apps, the offer point of gift card, IBOTTA allows users to withdraw their earning as actual cash via PayPal or bank transfer once they reach up to $20 threshold. And here's the downside about this platform. The user must accumulate at least $20 in earning before they can withdraw their cash, which may take time depending on the shopping habit. And also, some users have noticed that a certain offer are brand specific or limited in quantity, which can restrict any opportunity. And here's a quick bottom line about this platform. IBOTTA stands out as a legitimate and user-friendly cashback app that offer a real cash reward for everyday purchases. Its extensive and expensive network for retail partners and multiple earning methods make it a versatile tool for those looking to save money or routine shopping. While the $25 payout threshold and occasional technical hookup may be a drawback,